Now for this blue, wish green, whatever the hell you want to call it, convertible. I have to laugh how we actually traded these. We were supposed to meet up at a local restaurant parking lot, but he, I guess the address I got from the internet for the place directed him to our local Giant Eagle parking lot. But oh well, we made the trade. So attachment such for that one. We'll run that one next. So let's see. Let's wrap the cord up. I forgot to tell you the model number to the Diamatic. Let's look here. I would tell you what vacuums I traded him, but he wanted it to be a surprise. Let's see here. First time I've actually looked underneath this one. Guys, I'm having trouble finding the model plate on this machine. Let's see. Oh, that's because it's on this plate. Model number U603. You can see U603. This one, which is in extremely good shape, it is a model number U4389, and the serial number is 00014142. It's the Type C setup. I believe this one got a new bag in it too. Yep. So those are nice and clean. So I believe this is relatively close to my other convertible of mine. So stay tuned for this one.